Hello, this is an extension to the Chapter 2, Section 4 video of Gould. So what we're going to talk about here is something called side-by-side or stacked bar charts. Change this. Okay, so what are these side-by-side or stacked bar charts? So this graph allows you to compare across different groups. Okay, so for instance, in the last example, we looked at the type of Pokemon. And we saw that water and normal are the most common types. So let's say that there's another variable that you know about, the legendary variable. So some Pokemon are legendary. That's basically a variable. If your Pokemon is legendary, the value of the legendary variable is yes. If your Pokemon is not legendary, then the value of your variable is no. And now we start to wonder, are water and normal also the most common type of legendary Pokemon? Okay, so let's go and transfer over and use the data to figure this out. Okay, so here we are on the Pokemon data. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to go to graph. We're going to make a bar plot, a bar chart again with data. Again, we're going to look at the type, but now we're going to do group by legendary. So do you see where it says group by right here? Okay, you click and you scroll through and you go to legendary. So what this is going to do is it's going to look at the type of Pokemon. That's what the variable we're looking at up here. Okay, and then we're going to break them apart by whether they're legendary or not. And we can choose where it says grouping options. You can use split or you can do stacked. I prefer split. Sometimes stacked works better. So let's make the graph. So this should look sort of familiar. It's a lot like the graph before. You can see here it says here's the water Pokemon. Over here, here's normal Pokemon. Over here. So, but if you look, there's this legend right here. Pardon the pun. So the blue bins are the Pokemon that are not legendary. The red bins are the Pokemon that are legendary. So you can see for the non-legendary Pokemon, water and normal are the most common. I've selected them so you can see them a little easier. Oops, let me change the height here. Okay, so for the non-legendary Pokemon, yes, water and normal are most common. But now let's look at the red graphs. You can see that for the red graphs, this is the tallest one. Those are the psychic Pokemon. So if you are a legendary Pokemon, the most common type is psychic. If you're a legendary Pokemon, let's look over here at water. It's actually about the same size as steel, pretty close to rock, about the same size as dragon. Those are all the same. So being a legendary Pokemon influences the type of Pokemon that you're more likely to be. Legendary Pokemon, the most common type of legendary Pokemon are psychic, whereas the most common type of non-legendary Pokemon are water and normal. So you can see that this stacked bar plot, it allows you to look at the difference. So, in this case, we're looking at legendary and non-legendary Pokemon and their type. Okay, thank you.